Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of your BuildingGen, the building generator generated 3D buildings from the iClone 8 into iClone 7 as a backward compatible pipeline, as a backward compatibility life hack. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to transfer the iClone 8 BuildingGen buildings into iClone 7. Alright, first everything will start from iClone 8. In the iClone 8, what you need to do is just go to props, then you should be able to see the BuildingGen at here. And now you can see this is a BuildingGen sampler. I just drag and drop into here, and then the level, number of level that you want this building to be, you can adjust it here. Then how many units? It's 3, 1 or 2 or 3. Then the rest, window position, etc. you can adjust it, like randomize it. Then finally just click build. Randomize, then click build. Now this is a new building. It is going to generate a new buildings in iClone 8 first. Now you can see it done. It already done. This is a new building. Then you may want to import into iClone 7, but before that, just close everything. Make sure that the door can open. You double click it, then you press E, then at here scroll down, just make sure the pivot is at the corner. Then for this moments, the door already can freely open. Alright, so now it's the time to export the FBX and import into iClone 7. What you need to do is just go back to the scene until you can see this one, the building 001, the whole building. Click and hold the shift, click the last one to make sure all get selected. Then next, just from here, click File, Export, FBX, and choose the Maya's format. Then just the current frame is enough. Embed the texture, just export. And as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I will create a new folder as building 01. Then the file name, just name this as building 01. Done. Click save. It is going to export as FBX file. Now it already successfully exported. What you need to do is just import into iClone 7. This is the iClone 7, the older version of the software. You can import the FBX. Then just wait for a while. One of the very important prompts that it is going to ask you is whether do you want to merge everything. This one. This object contains many meshes. Then would you like to break the meshes into subprop? For this, you have to choose yes, so that you can just recover every details of the building. Just have a look. Now you can see this building already imported into iClone 7. Check the scene, the building 01. You can have a look. For example, you double click the door. Then you should be able to open the door. Alright, you can just check where is the door. Just search here, door. The door is not here. Wait. So now you can see this door already, not the original pivot. Just Ctrl Z. Make sure if you already double click this door, do the same way, scroll down, make sure the pivot is at here, so that when you press E, you still can open the door. And now this is another curtain. You can just delete it if it is unnecessary for you. You just want to let this door can be opened freely. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the BuildingGen generated 3D buildings into the iClone 7s as a backward compatibility life hack, a backward compatible pipeline for your iClone's 3D animation software. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!